yeah, new day, new chances to try to fix more on this car. I've been trying to take away all the smell with the ozone machine, but it's still something in there that I'm not satisfied with. So now I'm thinking to try to clean more in here with steam, because as I've been told, microfiber clothes and steam in the roof to go over all the roof parts with steam, but also the steam should kill bacteria and viruses and things like the ozone. It's supposed to kill and clean. This time of COVID-19, how do you clean your car? I had a lot of people start discussing about how to do it, and I use a lot of spirits and things, very rough stuff. I see my steering wheel here. If I start to use things like that, I'm going to ruin it completely. This is so worn out in the leather, need to be colored up. But steam should be completely different. So now the steamer is put on. The steam machine and just pull the blue microfiber clothes around it. Oh, it's getting dirty right away. I'll take over the worst in the front. Back here. Here is very dirty. So I have to, especially on this side, I have to put on a lot of steam. Seriously, this was very bad. But now I have taken off a lot of the dirt that was hanging here. On this side I'm going to take more. Yeah, and on the back, the third row, and here, most likely the dog have been between here and the second row, going crazy. So I just have to start here and it's very easy. It's no bacteria viruses and things is going to survive down there. Yeah, I can just check and tell you guys nothing right away. I have long legs, and this so-called 8-seated car. 8 seats. Okay, yeah, it's 8 seats. But who can sit here? To be a Smoky. This is just stupid. Yeah, it's 8-seated. But it's just, this is just wasted space. The steam looks to have cleaned up some in the roof from the second row and in the front. So the biggest worst space was up here. That was very, very dirty. If I'm lucky, that helped me take away some smell from the car. Yeah. Then I've gone over the whole roof with the steamer. Actually in the front there, it's already start drying up. Today is around 10 degrees in the shadows here, Celsius, 10 degrees. So it's not so cold. So luckily, I hope this is healthy. I see I have still some more dog here. Yeah, I have to clean out everything I see after when I see it. The brake discs in the back, I have bought them. I'm going to change them. I'm going to go over the whole bottom of the car to take away if there's some rust I can see, and also put on protecting. I like to use something we call overthrow oil, and then some body shoots made for having under the car on the top of that. That should help a lot to protect it from future. So thank you. I hope you like the channel, and I hope you subscribe to my channel and look at this. This landcruiser project is going on long time still, and then after that you can see I have other landcruiser, a 60 cruiser. I have other 4-wheel drive standing here. I have some ideas what to get. I have some Celicas, Suare, some Lexuses, different version. I'm going to take a hard talk about the electric car, because I had mine for a little over 5 years now, and what's good and what's bad. So it's a lot of things I'm going to take up in the channel coming on. Because of this corona situation, it's not going to be any car meets in Norway in the start of the season, so that's going to be bad. So we have to, and I have a lot of car meet videos from before. I was hoping to get out some new now, because the tradition here is to have the first meeting in this local area the 1st of May. That is not coming, and a lot of other car meets in May are not going to go on. Yeah, it's a lot of problem. So we just hope the situation is going to be better soon. So please like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and write some comments about what I could do with this car and also some other videos. You've been very nice. Thank you.